Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and a few days back Chinese smartphone maker OPPO invited us to visit the manufacturing facility in Shenzhen, China. Shenzhen is a small province in South China and one of the biggest manufacturing hubs in the world. Phones, laptops and all kind of gadget manufacturers have manufacturing facilities in this area. Located about 1 hour from the main city, OPPO's main campus in Shenzhen employs about 20,000 people. It houses the main manufacturing facility packaging unit as well as an SMT unit. Before entering the main assembly area, we were asked to put on anti-static overlays for safety. Inside the assembly area, employees working on different workbench putting together different components of a smartphone. Here is a close look at the camera module being prepared for a smartphone. Here you can see how the machine accurately screws the internal components together. Once the phone has been put together, it goes through a visual as well as some mandatory inspection checks before it is handed off to packaging. Now, the manufacturing facility does not technically manufacture all the important components of a phone but assembles them. Components such as the SoC, camera modules, metal shells and even the LCD display are still sourced from local and international manufacturers. These are then put together and moved for inspection and packaging. OPPO tells us that they intend to put a similar facility in India in the coming years. Before a phone goes into production, it undergoes rigorous testing procedures. According to OPPO, they have far more stringent tests than other smartphone makers. Here are a few tests we were able to capture. Mind you, there is more to the whole testing process, but we weren't allowed to shoot it all and show it to you. The first step in the long list of QA procedure is the display check. The display of OPPO phones is checked for prolonged usage manually and even by machines under different scenarios. Tests are done to check one finger touch and multiple touch inputs on different parts of the display. Tests are done to replicate heat emission on the phone while under load, such as gaming. Like the display, the physical buttons on the phone are extensively tested. OPPO claims that each model is tested for more than 10,000 button presses. OPPO conducts rigorous bend tests on the smartphones they make. The phone is bent 1,000 times in these machines. To replicate real-life tests like sitting with a phone in the back pocket, OPPO also puts the phone in different types of clothing material and then puts it under pressure. The test phones are also subject to a number of drop tests from various heights. Here, the phones are dropped from different heights to conduct the test. OPPO has a large research team and facility dedicated to control temperature tests. Here, the test devices are subject to extreme climate range from dry environments to moisture-laden atmosphere. OPPO's Shenzhen facility is also one of the biggest SMT manufacturing facilities. The company makes SMTs for DVD players, DACs and other home audio equipment. The facility employs around 3,000 employees. The SMT assembly takes part in different stages and each stage takes place in a different section. Most of the assembly work is done by machines in an extremely clean environment. Going beyond work, OPPO has a large recreation area in the complex comprising of football grounds, badminton courts, TT courts, kids playing area and even a large canteen for all the employees. Thank you for tuning in, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our Digit channel and you can also like the video if you liked it.